Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use your laptop as a display for your Raspberry Pi. For using your laptop as a display for your Raspberry Pi, you will need a HDMI capture card. You can find one for cheap on Amazon. A capture card is an input device which is used to convert HDMI signals to digital data that can be viewed on your laptop. It is usually used for streaming and recording gameplay, but we are going to use it for converting our laptop to a HDMI display which we can use with our Raspberry Pi. We are going to be using OBS Studio for viewing the display. We can install it by going to obsproject.com. Here, choose your OS and click on it and follow the installation instructions. I have already installed it. Let me quickly open it. This is the OBS window. The first thing you want to do is create a new scene. So click the plus button here and name it anything you want. I'm going to call it RPI screen and click OK. Then connect the USB end of the capture card to your laptop while connecting the HDMI cable from your Pi to the other end. Then click on the plus button from under sources and click on video capture device. Name it anything you want. I'm going to name it RPI capture card and click on OK. Then from under device, choose USB video and click OK. And now we are able to see the Raspberry Pi screen in the OBS window. To make it full screen, right click and click on full screen projector and choose the display. And now you can see the display is coming in full screen. And you can see I'm able to control the mouse pointer with my mouse. You might notice that there's a little lag. To fix that, click on escape, which will exit full screen. Then from under sources, click on RPI capture card, right click and click on properties. And here under video format, change it to YU12 and click OK. And now if you again make this full screen, you'll see that the latency has reduced a bit. You can also configure the audio to come from your Pi to your laptop speakers. To do that, click on the plus button from under sources and click on audio input capture. Name it anything you want. I'm going to name it capture card audio and click OK. Here from device, choose the USB video and click OK. Then right click under the audio mixer and click on advanced audio properties and you'll find the capture card audio which we just made, and here you'll find the audio monitoring. Click here and choose monitor only and click close, and that's it. Now the audio of the Raspberry Pi will come from your laptop speakers. One thing to remember here is to configure the audio for your Raspberry Pi to go to the HDMI port so that you can hear the audio from your laptop speakers. Now if I play a video on the Raspberry Pi, let me just do that very quick. You'll see that the audio will come from the laptop speakers now. And that's it, you're done. There's going to be a part 2 of this video where I show you how to use your laptop's mouse and keyboard with the Raspberry Pi. I felt that the app used was really cool and deserves its own video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out my other videos.